What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Torres, and this is the 360 spin magnetic stand, and it's got everything. It's got Magsafe, it's got a kickstand, it's got a ring holder. It is a slim case. It also protects your hinge. So this is probably one of the most complete cases out there for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, because a lot of the cases out there only give you a back piece. They don't cover the cover screen, which is ridiculous. So if you think about it, I put a nice screen protector on here, so I want to get full body coverage on my Z Fold 7. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. Drop down in the description if you want to pick this up. There'll be a link down there. Now, Torres has some great packaging. I love the way they package everything, but look at this. Look at the quality of this. Look at how beautiful it is. Yes, you're going to cover up your nice blue color. I wish it was a transparent, but you get that Magsafe capability. You get this nice ring that can be used as a kickstand. It can also be used as a ring. So if you're texting, doing whatever you got to do. So we're going to go ahead and put this to the side. And then you get, oh, what an upset here. You get a nice front piece. Look how thick that is. Yes, this is thin. This part has to be thin because that is the part that folds on the inside, and that will snap right on. What else do you get? Oh, and look at this. You get a screen protector, a tempered glass. That's not a little cheap film. That is a legit screen protector. And not only do they give you one, Torres gives you two. Now, this case runs about 60-80 bucks depending on when you get it. They also got some accessories here so that you can clean your screen, all that good stuff. I'm not gonna put the screen protector. Pretty easy to put on, not that hard, but we're gonna try out the case. So let's first put on our back piece, which will snap right here. And the thing I love about this is that it does give you the hinge protection, so you ain't got to worry about your hinge getting messed up. So that snaps right in, and then we're gonna put our front piece here on. This should snap right in. Put this over. Snaps there. It should snap there. This is pretty well put together. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. It's kind of got a slim profile to it, and it does totally protect your device. Wow. Look at the hinge protection that you get there. And if you want to peek at your hinge, you want to look at the Samsung. Look at that. You can peek at it. You know what I mean? And then your back piece there for your camera. You get some great camera protection there. And then you get your little thing. So if you want to like do your thing and hit some emails, type away, do what you want to do, you got a little ring there that you can, and it goes 360 degrees. So whatever, if you want to stand your thing up, watch some highlights, you can do that. Or if you want to put it sideways. I don't really think you need a kickstand with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, since it is a foldable. You can just fold it like this. Oh man, this case is legit. This is good. I love slim cases, but man, this is nice. Now, I did have a screen protector on here, and it's kind of lifting it up, but that's no fault of the case. I'm sure that you can use the one that it comes with. But man, this is probably the most complete case out there. This is super legit. This is nice. And look at that front cover screen. You get great protection there on the front cover screen there. So what I would probably do is install the screen protector that comes with the Torres case and put it go ahead and put it on after you put on the front cover piece. That way everything is like in there very nice. But this is clean. Wow. You don't have to worry about your phone at all. I mean, this will compete with the Spigens and a lot of other cases out there. I just don't know why more cake companies don't take the time and invest in this and make it look this nice. I mean, this is nice. Not gonna lie, man. I mean, and then if you want to do some full screen viewing, you can pop out your kickstand here, or your little, piece here. You can watch some shows, do whatever you need to do. You probably put it like this. Boom, you're good to go. Yeah, very, very versatile, very convenient. I do like this case a lot, and the quality of this case is very nice. Man, I like this a lot. I think this might be my case, dude. Because honestly, that's a foldable, man. You want to protect this, because if you drop this, I know it's built pretty strong, but man, this protects it very nice. I mean, you got full protection, doing what you got to do. This is really, really, really legit. I definitely would recommend this case. And then let's try out the Magsafe. Apparently it's supposed to have a nice magnetic lock so that it really, look at that. Whew, holding power. Magnetic force, huh? I'm telling you, this is legit. So that's the other cool thing, is that you get a little bit of a grip here, so it doesn't slide out of your hand. So when you're using this is legit. I mean, obviously without a case, your fold feels so nice, but man, this precision crafted hinge for effortless folding and enhancing, and it opens up. I mean, perfect. Look at that snap, huh? Boom. I mean, this nice. Yeah, I recommend this case. Buy this case. Android stud stamp of approval. Buy this case. It is legit. I mean, this is military grade protection. It's got everything, man. You don't have to worry about your phone. Worry free. That's what it's about. Thanks for watching.